Should I pick a part-time job or a full-time job? What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know whether you should pick a part-time job or a full-time job, then keep on watching. I've hired both full-time and part-time staff for my retail business. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the differences between a part-time work and a full-time work. More specifically, what should you expect about pays, hours, schedule, and benefits. This guide will share some of the main things you should know when deciding between a full-time job and a part-time job, and how to determine which would work best for you. The first tip is work schedule. Part-time jobs are known for having a lot of flexibility, such as options to work during the weekday, weekend, or night shift. This is why many students and parents choose to work part-time jobs so they can focus more on things like their studies and their families. Part-time jobs may also be available seasonally, especially during peak periods like summer vacation or holidays. The part-timers I had in my retail store back then only work over the weekends, and if they have last-minute emergency, all they have to do is to inform me 1 week in advance, and I will exclude their pays from the days they were not working. If you like having a flexible schedule that revolves around your lives, you can kiss that goodbye with your full-time job. As a full-time employee, most employers will require you to be available most, if not all, of the week. This is why full-time jobs are often referred to as a 9 to 5, referring to the time frame between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Trying to fit 40 hours into night and weekend shift is difficult. However, if you prefer working defined hours during the day every week, then full-time job might be a better option for you. Keep in mind that most full-time jobs are also year-round rather than seasonal. Second, earnings. Part-time employees are always paid by the hour. That's why they are usually responsible for clocking in and clocking out at the beginning and at the end of their shift. They might also be asked to submit a timesheet at the end of every week to make sure they are paid for all the time they have worked. Full-time employees may get paid by the hour just like part-time employees, or they may receive a flat salary. This is not usually something that can be negotiated with an employer. In terms of earnings, you will find that many full-time employees are paid a little more than their part-time counterparts, especially if they have a specialized skills. It wouldn't be unusual to see a pay increase if you change from a part-time role to a full-time role. You may even see your compensation restructured entirely. If you are paid a flat salary rather than hourly, compared to part-time employees, full-time employees may also have more job responsibility and opportunity for career progression, such as getting a promotion to a managerial role. However, there are still plenty of high-paying part-time jobs, such as nannies and customer service representative. Lastly, benefits. Benefits might be the most confusing and certainly the most paperwork heavy. Points of difference between a full-time and a part-time employees. Benefits is a catch-all term used to describe parts of a compensation package that you receive from an employer in addition to a regular paycheck. Full-time employees are usually eligible for benefits. The most common benefits include health insurance as well as dental, vision, and life insurance. Employers that offer insurance will usually pay for some of the monthly cost of the policy. Most full-time employers will also be eligible for paid time off through federal holidays, vacation days, and sick days. Some employers offer their full-time employees retirement options, such as 401k plan in the US, EPF in Malaysia, or SSS in Philippines, as well as other company-specific perks such as reimbursement for childcare, a fitness membership, and education speed and stock options. On the other hand, part-time employees are usually not eligible for company-sponsored benefits such as health insurance or retirement plans. However, this is also dependent on the employer. Some may offer education or training, certain holidays off, or employee discounts, especially for jobs in the retail and food service. Benefits vary from employer to employer. When accepting a job offer, whether it's part-time or full-time, it's important for you to understand exactly what you're being offered as part of your benefits package. Don't feel embarrassed about admitting you don't know what something is. The person at your company who handles human resources will be happy to help. I hope these 3 tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.